Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm doing another collaboration. I will tell you about that a little later, but now let's get crafting. I have this picture frame that I'm going to be recycling, and I'm going to give it one coat with this black chalk paint. I'm taking this piece of scrap paper and I'm going to put it inside the frame, and I'm going to go ahead and put the frame back together. And this is an ornament. It says Noel from the dollar store. I'm going to remove all the greenery along with the bowl, and with some hot glue I'm going to glue it right on top of this picture frame. And I think this is the perfect ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and make a beautiful bow. I'll glue it right to the frame. I also have some greenery from last year, and I'm going to be cutting some branches, and with some hot glue I'm going to glue it right on top of the bow along with a pine cone. And this is it, my friends, for DIY number 1. I hope you enjoy it. So today I'm really excited because I am participating of a faith-based playlist, and it is being hosted by Michelle, and her channel is Moxie DIY and Java, and I will be leaving her channel in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love. I purchased this at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take this board and I'm just going to go ahead and cut this shell out of here because we're not going to be using it. I'm going to be using this X-Acto knife. And I'm going to be putting this sticker, and it says, "Our Father in heaven, hallowed be the name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us the daily bread, and forgive our debts as we forgive our debtors. And do not lead us into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. For your is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever. Amen." Wow, that is powerful. And I made a bow with this ribbon. This ribbon I got from an Easter hat from Dollar Tree. I took it apart, and this is what I'm doing with it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it in with some hot glue. Make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. I took 4 wooden beads and some baker's twine, and I'm going to go ahead and tuck it right back here with some hot glue. And with the same baker's twine, I'm going to wrap it twice on each corner, and on the bottom and the top, I'll wrap it around once. This was a very simple and easy DIY to make, and it is my favorite. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY. I'm gonna be recycling this picture frame. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 coats with this white chalk paint. So now I'm looking through these construction papers and I'm trying to determine which one I am going to use. So I decided to use this one that looks like bricks, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my frame back together. And for those viewers that are stopping by for the first time, this is my little girl. Her name is Diva, and she is a long hair cat. I'm constantly shaving her, but look at her. She is getting pretty hairy. She is adorable. She's always around when I'm doing my DIYs. Look at how gorgeous she is. Oh my goodness, she is adorable. That is my baby girl. Okay, and back to this DIY. Look at how beautiful. I think it's so gorgeous. I have these window clings, so I will be adding this Believe window cling right here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead later on and play around with some more window clings, and I'm gonna be putting some greenery around it and some snowflakes. Guys, now it's time for you to let me know what you think about this beautiful DIY. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. Now this picture frame is beautiful as is, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it 1 coat only to the inside with this white chalk paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and work with this nativity set that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and stain all the pieces, and I'm gonna be using the Albany and the gold oak. And again, I want to thank you for stopping by my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I hope you do consider subscribing. And if you like any of these DIYs, will you take a moment and give me that big thumbs up? It will help my channel and reach other viewers just like you. And don't forget to go down to my description box and visit the playlist. Make sure that you give all of these talented creators a lots of love. And now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble all of these pieces together. This came out so beautiful. I am totally in love with this nativity scene. I was gonna leave it just like this, but then I came back with a star. I gave it 1 coat with white chalk paint, and then I went and I glued it right on top of the existing star. What do you think about this nativity scene? I love it. I think that these colors came all together. I use all natural colors and I am loving it. And now it's time for the final reveal. I am totally in love with this one. I think I said that with the first one, but you let me know which is your favorite. And moving on to our last DIY. I have these stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna cut 2 of these words. I'm gonna cut the word prayers and the word Jesus. And I'm going to go ahead and glue 1 on each candle. And look at how beautiful this is gonna come out. And then I have some jute twine, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it several times on the neck of this candle. And I'm gonna do the same thing to both of them once the other sticker is on. And once it's tied, I'm gonna come in with a jute twine bow, and I am gonna go ahead and put it right on top of that jute twine already in place. I also have these candle holders from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right in the bottom of this other candle. And look at how gorgeous this looks, nice and classy. What you think about these beautiful DIYs? I am loving it. Please leave me in the comment section which is your favorite so far. And again, I want to thank you for staying until the end of my video. I hope you do consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video.